Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Huggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. There's a lot of tape on this. Okay. Let's see. Packing material. I see a manifest. Let's get these things out. Bubble wrap. Alright, so that's everything. Set the box aside. Get this into the frame here. Liberty Tree Collectors. Right off the manifest. So right away I saw first here should be set of two East German grenade pouch. So I get a set of two. A lot of tape again. Alright. One and two. They look unused. As you can see here. Take a look at this one here. Try to see what material this is. Oh, it is steel. It is magnetic. Both parts of the clasp. Okay, so how does this come out? This way. Okay, so it's kind of a copy of the NATO style as well, or NATO copied them, whichever came first. So grab that, pulls out. Okay. See, kind of a short square profile for the pockets. Put back, put that over there, and then you interlock this through there, like so. Okay, so that was the East German grenade pouch set of two. Let's see if I can continue the theme here. This should be Belgian M90 Camo grenade pouch. I ordered two of these. They're sold separately. Pass the tape. Alright, so these are Belgian style. You can see the similar clasp design, but with plastic parts, with also a smaller fabric pull tab, grommet at the bottom, no grommets on the East German ones. pull, lift into there. Not sure what size would actually fit in these small little compartments. And it looks like we have a couple of initials there. I see an M and a V. So, interesting used item. Check this one out as well. This one has a little sticker in there. Interesting. And pull tabs are all tucked in. Alright, so this was 2 of the Belgian M90 Camo grenade pouches. Let's see what this is. Bag. Ooh, very nice. It's got some weight to it though. Heavy canvas. Okay, you see how it expands out. I'm just going to hold it by the middle there. This is an Belgian FNFAL web magazine belt. So this is meant to hold FAL mags. Looks like we still have a little bit of terrain stuck to it. Very interesting. Get those little bits off of there. Into the bin. So we can see here kind of the 50s style of snap assembly with the little spring inside of there. Let's see markings on there as well. Let you read that if you can. Get that under magnifier if that helps. So if I can read it, Soulever, Côte à Soulever, an A and a G, and then the fix, and looks like 7 sevens all around, but I'm not quite sure. Let's see, large steel. Is it steel? Maybe not. It's pretty hard metal though. About these fittings. Brass. This, nope. These are non-magnetic. Very nice. Pockets, I believe, 3 on each wing here. Markings. Let's see if I can put this together like so. So a pretty heavy duty belt there. Belgian FNFAL magazine, web magazine belt. Alright, let's take a look at these last 2 wrapped items here. Okay, let's open this one too while we're at it. So what these are 2 different versions of holsters. Okay, so these are for the SIG P225, also known as the P6 pistol. One is black leather flap holster, that'll be this one, and the other is a black Kydex KDX duty holster, which would be this one. Large. So coming in here kind of cold without any research. Looks like there's a little sticker there. Phillips head screw assembly. This, I guess, will loosen these tooth cam areas to allow you to reposition the angle of all the fittings. Hard Kydex. You see here the spacer, so there is no real dimension adjustments for your pistol item. Here is your, okay, kind of a quick release retention flap there. It is spring loaded, activated by this, and then you can actually snap that in together, and then that will release. There's your retention right there. Pressing this button allows for quick rotation, but not in this direction, only in this direction. Yeah, this is a pretty complicated device here. Interesting. And then these types of hex screws, looks like. Very interesting. So that's the Kydex version. Here's the leather flap version with the traditional kind of suitcase latches. Leather, the metal fittings, and hard rivets there. This one is magnetic. This would be the other part of the retention right here. So, I'm not sure how this actually goes like that. Okay. And this would be where your belt would go. Okay, I'm learning. Very cool. So get that in the frame there. Are two versions of SIG P225 P6 pistol holsters, one being a black leather flap, the other being black Kydex duty style. So continuing to work backwards, we also have the Belgian FNFAL Web magazine belt. We also had two of the Belgian M90 Camo grenade pouches. And then we started off with a set of East German grenade pouch, set of two. So these all came from Liberty Tree Collectors. Let's see if I can get this into frame here. Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage, milsurp tools, and other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.